Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant, and these are the SUNCO LED lights. This is SUNCO's newer version of their lights. You can select your own color temperature on them, anywhere from 5000K all the way down to 2700. I used to like the 4000, but after seeing the 3500, I've actually kind of fell in love with this temperature. So I have two of the lights up there that don't match the same temperature. They're just slightly off. They're at the 4000. So I'm going to replace it with one of these. They are great lights. I have them all over my whole house, my living room, kitchen, dining room, garage, bedrooms, the entryway. Yeah, there's a ton of them. And in 6 years, I've had two of them go out. So I wrote SUNCO because they claim a 7-year warranty. So they sent me out these replacements, and that's how I got these adjustable ones. So these are really easy to install. They got these retrofit things just in case you have one of the old screw-in cans. You just screw it in, but I actually have all the SUNCO cans in my whole house too. So pretty easy, plug it and play. I don't even need to turn off the power because all the leads are protected on them, so I have nothing to worry about. Basically, you just pull them out, and then you just simply unplug it. Now for the new one, and you can only plug these in one way. Yeah, tried to plug it in the wrong way there. Yeah, now she's in. We're gonna tuck the wire up in there and push it up in there. So yeah, these are nice. So if I decide to change the color temperature at any point, I can just pull the light down and change it. I definitely recommend the SUNCO lights. They're nice.